Goes on white, dries clear. We're just filling in cracks. This looks like that is shrunk up and pulled away from the metal. But if you notice, this has got putty tape underneath that, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. But the top had cracks and such in the silicone that really is pretty good. This is a probably 20-25 years old. Like your new Redwing boots?
Yeah, I buy them for $189, and it turns out the bill comes out to $300 and something.
What? How?
Because he influenced me to buy soles that were $69. I didn't know they were $69 until I was paying for it. Then he convinced me, oh, if you buy these 2 pairs of socks, they're a lifetime guarantee.
Socks?
They pair, you can get them back. He didn't tell me the price of those either. I had to buy 2 pairs. So you get one free and get $15 off the boot. They were $21 a pop. So I paid $40 in socks, get a free pair of socks,
You won't lose your socks.
and $15 off of...
It's a $300 boots.
Right.
Eh.
It came out to that. I'm about to take them back because it wasn't worth that much.